This is Audi Q5 2023 2024 model 2-liter engine. Basically, we are going to show you how we do the oil change for this car. Basically, this is the jacking point underneath. You can see strong place underneath in the front close to the wheel. Yeah, after that you need to put the axle stand underneath. Once you do the axle stand underneath, then you can go under the car. Until do the axle stand, better to not to go underneath. If something happen to the jack, this is 2 piston jacks, but however still we are using the axle stand underneath because of the safety reason. Now we are ready to go underneath. After that we will remove underneath cover. We already removed the under tray, lot of screws it's holding, Torex. Yeah, after remove the under tray, that's the under tray. Then this is the sump, plastic screw here. This the one. It's need a special tool. Once I remove, I'll show you how we going to do the thing and what's the special tool. Right. Yeah. Okay. Now I'll show you what we did underneath. This the sump plug. I'll took it off from the car. If you want to use the screwdriver, you are fine. Absolutely, use the reasonable size one. Install here and turn anti-clockwise. You can remove this one. But if you want to use the proper tool, I'll add the link in the description. This is the proper tool. It's going exactly the spot on place. You can see this two grooves going into the plug exactly. Yes, once you remove this one, don't use anymore, chuck it out. Right, I'm keeping the bunch of plugs, then I'm using new one, otherwise you ending with leaking. So that's another tip. When you remove the old plug, don't reuse it, you ending with leaking. Right, now I'm going to remove the oil filter housing. It's need to 32 mil socket. When you do it, be careful, do it gently, because if some reason if it break this one, you ending with additional problem. Careful. Do it with steady hand, you are fine. Another small important tip, why am I jack up car this side? Because your sump other side, when you jack up this side, it will angle to the driver side. When it's angled for the driver side, that your all oil come through the sump nut. Make sure clean inside all dirts. This step's very important. Yeah, when you install the new seal, apply little bit oil surround that area. It's make it slippery and it will sit on correct place. Otherwise, you end with bit hassles. Yes, after that, apply little bits around the filter area like this. Yeah, and after that, when you're going to install this one, you can see this tip, it's need to lined up inside. You can see the hole in there. You can see that hole. This one need to lined up to that hole, straight lined up. Then after that, you can twist the cap. No need to do super mega tight, just do the hand tight, it will do the job. Right, that's it. Right, next step very important, you can see underneath here. If you want, you can install the dipstick, because this one has a sensor. Because of that, we don't want to check with manual, but if you want manual dipstick, you have to buy the manual dipstick. This is not a dipstick, this is the just cover the dipstick hole, but you can buy from the VW Audi if you need a manual dipstick. Right, we can find out the user manual how many oil liters this one holding, but however I'm check the user manual, and same time I will check the all oil quantity, what's the quantity there, I'm measure it, and after that I'm going to add exactly the oil level there. You can see the level, this one holding like a 4.5 liters. Once it ready, it will lock to the place, then after that you can stop, then after that you have to clean the underneath using brake clean and clean, and make sure it's was leak in there, but make sure after the service it won't leak anymore. That's why I'm always say replace the plug, it's good batteries. Yeah, we done the oil service and we kept the car running 10 minutes and check the all around leaking, no any leaking. Then after that we install the under tray. Now we lower the car. Right, next step, this is very important. Whatever you done physically you are okay, but however until you feed to the onboard computer you done the service, this car not work as should be. After that could be you ending with block DPF with hustles. Be careful once you do the service. Basically latest cars we need to feed to the onboard computer, we done the service, and same time like this cars we need to get security gate, otherwise we can't work on this car. Because of that, very important, use proper diagnostic tool and feed to the onboard computer, you done the job. Otherwise it's bit hustle. I'll start the car and I'll show you what's going on here. Have a look at the dashboard. Passenger airbag on. Yeah, you can see oil change due. So like this message when you see, you need to go to the computer. Depend on your computer, this one we need to go to the service, oil reset, Audi, auto oil reset. Okay, successfully reset. Press OK. Yeah, okay. Right, now switch off the car and start the car. Have a look. Yeah, no anymore service light there. Job successfully done. You know how to change the oil and oil filter if you has a Audi. Sometimes this method you can apply for the VW group many cars, Audi, VW, Seat, what else? Skoda. Yeah, you can apply this method for the many cars in their group. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, please let me know. See you with the next video.